back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am bringing you another daily work from home job lead. This one is from NP Digital. They are a marketing agency, and they are hiring a social media specialist. Now, this is remote work from home for my United States folks only, and this is a 1099 contractor position. They are looking for someone, though, to work almost full time, anywhere from 30 to 40 hours a week. If you're interested in applying, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. But they are looking for someone to be forward-thinking social media specialist to manage their comments on all their social media accounts. So that includes LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. They have multiple social media accounts, and they are looking for someone to respond to all the comments for the Neil Patel brands across those multiple social media platforms and email valuable responses. You'll research and reply to all the questions asked via Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and Facebook. You'll utilize their internal database and subject matter experts to provide the best engagement to their followers. You'll interact with the online communities and identify opportunities for potential customers for the agency. You'll also be creating comment speech guidelines for the company's reference and creating a knowledge base related to common comments. You'll help the social media manager to create reports for the social media channels. So this is a completely non-phone work from home job. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. It does say you get bonus points, and I guess you get into the front of the line for an interview if you do have a bachelor degree in some kind of marketing or relevant field, but that is actually not required. They are looking for someone who is passionate about digital marketing, has knowledge with SEO, paid advertisement, all those social media things that go on with marketing through social media these days. Someone who has great written and verbal communication skills. You have to be a great English speaker and writer, and of course you have to have excellent knowledge and best practices for social media channels like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok. They need somebody who can be a critical thinker and problem solver. Now, if this is you, they are paying anywhere from $18 to $20 an hour. Of course, that is always dependent on experience and location. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm always not responding, I am reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.